The flagpole casts an 8-foot shadow, and we see that it is a height of 20 feet tall. At the same time, the oak tree casts a 12-foot shadow, so we want to know how tall the oak tree is. So again, in this one here, we're going to make sure to set up a proportion and a couple things that we got to keep in mind, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put the length of the shadow as the top number in our fractions, and I'm going to keep that consistent throughout these next couple problems. So 8/20, that's our proportion of the length of the shadow to the height, or that's the ratio. Then our proportion is going to be 12, which is the length of our oak tree, over something that we don't know, which is going to be x. Once we have our proportion, we're going to cross multiply here, which gives us 8x equals 240. Then we're going to divide both sides by 8. So that leaves us with x on one side, and on the other side we should get 30. And we're talking about this in feet. So the height of the oak tree is 30 feet. Now to double check this, a couple of things. Just remember that the height of these things should be larger than the length of their shadow. So if you get a number that's less than the length, then you got to make sure to double check your work.